In this video, I'm going to talk about PMP mindset. Now, this PMP mindset is according to PMBOK 8th edition. I was reading today the PMBOK 8th edition to understand it, to define it, how I can add value into your journey. I'm just reading the principal part, the first standards part of it, then I will build in the PMBOK. Here, the PMI define for the first time the mindset of a project manager. Now, keep that thing in your mind. PMI has been expecting you already know the mindset of project manager. But for the first time, now they have given the definition, although the PMBOK will be applicable from July exam, but this mindset is still applicable. This mindset can help you to solve question answer if you understand this thing. So let's see if I can explain you in a way. The first part, I made a triangle of it. It did not have a triangle, it has a 3 parts, but I like to put triangle on it. Be a proactive leader. Now, this was one of the principles before, and this is what the project management says, but that's a very important time that they have put it into the words. Be a proactive leader, be a proactive project manager, be a proactive process leader. What does proactive mean and how you can use this ultimately for solving the PMP question? Let me be very fair here. My goal is to give you a straight tips. You go and solve the PMP question. That has always been my goal, and that is the goal of this video. Proactive. This means identify. This means prevent. This means document. This means communicate. This means escalate. So when a problem happens, first of all, the first and the most fundamental principle behind a proactive is that a problem should be identified before even it's happening. That's why you are making the entire risk register. That's why the entire risk process is happening. That's why you are doing quality assurance. You are making quality plan. All the plans are actually being a proactive in nature. Okay. The purpose is to identify the risk, manage the risk, identify the expectations of the stakeholders, manage those expectations, and handle them accordingly. But in case if something is happened and that's